Hello friends, welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture, we will learn our TRREE trading setup, that is TRREE with double R. Now friends, the speciality of this trading setup is that it answers three of the basic but very important questions that traders have. That is what to trade, where to trade, and when of entering into any trade. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the setup. Also note the setup can be applied by both conservative trader as well as aggressive traders. Along the way, I will explain what changes both type of traders can do while following this setup. This setup is also based on the principle of confluence, which I have explained in depth in my price action trading class and Fibonacci trading classes. In short, the principle simply advocates to add on various confluencing factors which will increase the probability of successful trades and eliminate false trades. Thus, here also we will add different confluencing factors and increase the probability of success in our trades. Lastly, this is a reversal trading setup, that is, we will be trading possible reversals in the trend. Since most candlestick patterns indicate reversals, thus we will primarily focus on reversal trading rather than continuation trading. So friends, TRREE is basically an acronym which stands for T stands for trend, R stands for region of interest, R stands for RSI, then E stands for entry, and lastly E stands for exit. Now friends, this is a simple but very effective setup. Let us discuss each of these steps in detail. Step 1 is T, that is trend. Friends, this step answers the basic questions, that is what you should do, that is whether you should buy or sell. As you know, market never moves in any particular direction forever. If the trend is up, then there will definitely be retracement, either major or minor, and after some time there is definite reversal in the trend. This setup in fact works in a trending market. So if the trend is up, then you should wait for possible reversal where you can enter short trade, or if the market is trending down, then you should wait for possible reversal where you can enter into a long trade. In short, step 1 tells you to identify a trending asset class and wait for the formation of reversal candlestick pattern. That is, wait for bullish reversal candlestick pattern in case of downtrend and bearish candlestick pattern in case of uptrend. Then step 2 is R, that is region of interest. Now friends, this is an important step of the setup. This step answers another important question, that is where you should trade. Once the candlestick pattern is formed in the trending market, we should then check if it's formed in a region of interest. Now what we mean by region of interest? Friends, region of interest is a place on the chart which is important with respect to price action. In simple words, if the trend is up and you got a bearish reversal pattern, then the region of interest can be a resistance level or a trend line which is acting as a resistance or a moving average or some important Fibonacci level. So if your bearish reversal pattern is formed at such region of interest which is acting as a strong resistance level, then the possibility of reversal is huge. Let me show you some charts that will make this important concept clear to you. Please look at this chart of Asian Paints and notice the stock is in uptrend here. This is followed by the formation of bearish Harami pattern, which is a bearish reversal pattern. This pattern you will learn later in this course. Now friends, let's check if this pattern is formed at a region of interest. As you can see, this pattern is formed at an important resistance level. Thus, this pattern is indeed forming at an important price action zone which is adding to the probability of reversal. Let's see another example from the stock TCS. As you can see here also that the stock is in uptrend here, which is followed by a formation of a shooting star. This is also a bearish reversal pattern which we will learn later. Now just notice, if I draw this trend line here, you will observe that the price is respecting this trend line as a strong resistance level. Thus this shooting star is indeed forming at an important region of interest where probability of reversal is huge. So friends, hope this concept of region of interest is clear to you. I am generally using support and resistance and trend lines in this course to make it easier for you to understand. But you can add various other tools like pivots, Fibonacci or chart patterns, for example head and shoulders, flag, palettes, etc. to check if the candlestick pattern is forming at a region of interest. So friends, hope the concept of identifying region of interest is clear to you. Then step 3 of our tree trading setup is R, that is RSI. Friends, if you are into technical analysis, then you must be familiar with RSI. But for those who are new, RSI, that is Relative Strength Index, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. The value of RSI oscillates between 0 and 100. Another point of importance is RSI is considered overbought when above 70 and oversold when below 30. It is considered if the asset class is in overbought level, then there is probability of decline. And if the asset class is in oversold region, that is below 30, then there is probability of price rise. Now friends, this knowledge of RSI is enough as far as our strategy is concerned. So in this third step of our strategy, you just need to get a simple confirmation from RSI. If the candlestick pattern is bullish reversal pattern, then RSI should be in oversold region, that is less than 30, or just touching the oversold region. And if the candlestick pattern is bearish reversal pattern, then RSI should be in overbought region, that is above 70 or just touching this level. The next step is E, that is entry. So friends, finally after the first 3 steps, the probability of reversal is really high and we must get ready to enter into the trade. So if the candlestick pattern is bullish reversal pattern, then you should enter at the opening of the next candle if it's a gap up opening, else wait for the next candle to close above the bullish reversal pattern. That is, take entry only after confirmation. On the other hand, if the candlestick pattern is bearish reversal, then you should enter at the opening of next candle if it's gap down opening, else wait for the next candle to close below the bearish reversal pattern. Friends, regarding stop loss, you can place the stop loss below the candlestick pattern or as per your risk taking capability. Then last step 5 is E, that is exit. So friends, final step and important step in any trade is exit. If you are into a long position, then you should ideally target previous swing high or resistance level, or you can even go for 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Now conservative traders may even book the profit at 50% of the level of previous swing high or resistance levels. You can even trail your stop loss to ride the profits higher. Now friends, target depends upon the context of chart and it varies from one situation to other. Along the course you will see this. So if a particular swing high is too far and you don't expect that level to reach, then you can even set a target of 50% of that level. That is, you must take your targets judicially at different positions. So friends, hope the setup is clear to you. You will find that setup is simple yet effective. You can even change or modify the setup as per your risk taking abilities. You can add or remove convincing factors like RSI or region of interest. For example, you can add volume also and take only those stocks which have above average volume at the time of candlestick formation. But as of now, I have kept the setup simple. Friends, please note, in trading, no setup will provide you 100% success. You just need to tweak the setups on chart to chart basis. But this tree trading framework will always remain the base for any tweak that you need to do as per your trading style. If you still have any doubt or confusion, then from next section we are starting the different special candlestick patterns where you will learn this tree setup in detail via practical charts, and all your doubts related to any step will become crystal clear.